All right, today I'm going to show you how you can plot or graph any equation within Excel. So I have two examples here of equations. The first one is pretty simple. We're just going to use y equals 5x plus 3. And then in the second example, we're going to do y equals x squared plus 4. So in order to plot this within Excel, you need to create two sort of helper columns. So we're going to create a column for all the x values and all the y values. So in the y value column, what you're going to be doing is putting your formula that we have here. So in order to do that, what we're going to do is hit equals. That's going to be 5 times x, right? So instead of typing x, we're going to hit times this adjacent cell in the x column where all the x values will be. And then we'll hit plus 3, and that will be the formula that we see here. We'll go ahead and hit enter. Now Excel is recognizing this first x value as a 0 since there's nothing typed there. So 5 times 0 is 0, plus 3 would be 3. So we'll go ahead and put 0 here, and then we'll just go exponentially down. And then we'll just say we want to go down to 8 here. And then what we can do is click this bottom right corner of the cell and drag this formula down, and that will give us the respective y values. So now that we have these two helper columns to show how our formula works to Excel, we can select the data, including the headers, go up to Insert, go over to Charts here, find this little icon, which is the scatter plot icon, and then just go ahead and enter this first scatter plot at the top left. And let me just resize this real quick. And here we have our graph based on this equation. And then we can hit this little plus sign, we can add a trend line here, and we can play around with the graph to format it or whatever, however we'd like. And then we could change the title, we can add axis names, and so on. You can customize the chart how you'd like. But that's the basic way on how you can plot or graph a formula or equation that you might have in Excel. So let's go on to example 2 here. So this equation is a little bit trickier, but still pretty simple, and we kind of know what to expect. So we'll create our two helper columns here again. And then in column Y, we'll hit equals. The x, again, is the adjacent column or the x column. And then we'll hit this little tent, which is what indicates a exponent in Excel. And we'll hit 2 plus 4. And then we know 0 squared is 0, plus 4 is 4. With this chart, we want to start at, let's say, minus 4, go to minus 3, and all the way back up to 4. So we'll go like that, and then we can select this, drag this down, and then we again can select the data, go over to Insert, Charts, insert a scatter plot, and I'll make this a little bit smaller, and we can see that that is kind of what we expected, a kind of a U for our graph. And then we can add a trend line, but then this time, in this instant, we're going to go to trend line. We'll hit more options. This little sidebar is going to pop up, and we'll select polynomial. But there you have it. That's how you can very simply plot or graph a formula or equation that you might have in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button before you leave. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.